Today, I'll show you how to build an example using ReactJS and REST API to edit an item. So let's start. In the student list, we should have a button for edit. We put button edit and an event called onClick. In this event, we assign this event to a function called edit. We need to bind this event to the current component instance this. Outside here, we write the method function called edit with ID and name. And in this function, we do a very simple thing. We set the ID and name into the state ID and name. So we have to pass the ID and name into the function here, s.id and then s.name. After we do that, we run our code and we click on the edit button. So we'll see that it's loaded the ID and the name to the form. Correct. Let's continue. The next step will be we need to handle the save buttons. Currently, we have a save methods that injects of adding new student to the list. But for updating, we need to have a put method. We consider using reuse these functions, but we need to have a flag variables. Let's say add new true. So if it's true, which is add new, we'll call post. And if it's not, which means that it's editing, we'll use put. Okay, so we can check it here. So if, let's say, we have a variable called methods, and in this method, we will check if this state dot add new is true. So if it's true, we'll have the post method, and if it's not true, we have a put method. So there we go. So we have a put method here, and right after the post method. So in here, instead of have a hard-coded, so we put a variable method here. Okay, so when we save, we click save. So if it's add new, they'll use post, and if it's not new, we use put. Okay, and so in order to to toggle between the state of add new, we can have a new button called add new, and when user click that button, the add new will set to true. And if they click edit, so this value will set to false. So let's say add new, in this case is false. Okay, there we go. And let's see what happened with this add new. Oh, okay, sorry. So this add new is actually, yeah, okay, correct. And down here next to the save button, we have another button called add new. Okay, just undo it and copy it and then paste it here, and then this will be add new. So in this add new, we bind it into add new functions. So this is add new function. It's not a variable, so we have to define it here. Oh, okay. To make it less confusing, maybe we use just add instead of add new. So in this function add, we will do this dot set stats. Basically, we change the state of add new into true. So we have two places to toggle the value of this variable add new true. So when we click edit, it's false, but when we click add new, this becomes true. So let's go back to our code and run. So let's say when we start, everything is true. So we can add a student SQ, let's say David, and let's save. So let's go there. But how about edit this guy? We just edit this, we click the edit button and it comes to the form. Okay, there we go. So edit is successfully run. Yeah, that's what we have. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to see more video.